Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, base enclosure, and wireless module. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel and tape on the fan. Disconnect the fan cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the three 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the top cover and system board. Lift the fan off of the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the fan into position on the top cover. Replace the three 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the system board and top cover. Connect the fan cable into its connector on the system board. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channel on the fan and replace the retention tape.